How to cancel TD insurance in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel the TD insurance in 2025. So first of all, there is two methods to cancel the TD insurance. So the first method is you have to open the app of TD insurance from your smartphone, or you just have to open a new tab and search for TD insurance on your web browser, and then click on the official website TD Insurance, and you just have to simply log into your account. And after logging in, you can check which insurance plan you are currently subscribed to, and you can just simply click on cancel this insurance subscription from there by selecting the option. Or if you face any problem to do that, you can just click on contact us option, and you can just contact to the customer service and tell them your problem you're facing or the reason you want to cancel your TD insurance, and they will cancel your insurance upon reviewing your clarification. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.